In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a theme in Hubspot. This is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to customize their website and really make use of Hubspot's powerful tools. So let's dive in and walk through this straightforward process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hubspot user guide. You can do this by heading to the Hubspot URL specific to your account, or simply using a bookmarked link if you've set one up for convenience. This is a great starting point because the user guide section contains a wealth of resources and instructions that can help you expand your knowledge and skills in using HubSpot more effectively. Once you've made your way to the user guide, the next step is to click on the settings icon. This icon is typically found in the main navigation bar of your HubSpot account. Clicking on it will take you to the hub where you can manage various aspects of your HubSpot experience, including website settings. It's worth noting that your settings house a lot of customizable options, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here. After you've opened the settings, look for the section labeled Themes and Modules. This is a crucial step because this section is where you can control all the aesthetic and functional aspects of your HubSpot website. By clicking here, you gain access to a world of creative possibilities. Keep in mind that understanding how themes and modules function can significantly enhance your ability to create an engaging and responsive website. Now, to progress, you'll want to click on the option to upload a theme. You'll find this as one of the available actions within the Themes and Modules section. This feature allows you to bring in external themes that you've either purchased or designed, providing tremendous flexibility in customizing your site. Before you upload, ensure that your theme files are correctly formatted and that you've reviewed them thoroughly to avoid any upload issues. While uploading, it's important to have all the necessary files organized and ready. Generally, themes come as a package, so uploading should be a smooth process provided everything is zipped correctly if required. Once you initiate the upload, HubSpot will process your theme. During this process, if you encounter any errors, double-check your theme files or consult HubSpot's support for extra guidance. By following these steps, you've successfully uploaded a theme to HubSpot, and you're now free to explore and modify it to your site's needs. Remember, the more time you invest in understanding and working with your themes and modules, the more adept you'll become in creating stunning, functional HubSpot websites. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your HubSpot experience.